Hello programmers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Samarasinghe from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I am give you two new challenge. If your age is less than 18, you are child, else you are elder, else you are not in this world. How to do that using JavaScript? Okay, I am show you how to do that using JavaScript. First, I am create new folder, child or elder. Now I am open this folder with my code editor, Visual Studio Code Editor. Now I am create three files in this folder: index.html, style.css, script.js, like this. In this HTML file, I am create sample code. Now I am change the title into child or elder. Now I am link the CSS file and HTML file using this tag. Now I want to link this JavaScript file. Like this, we can link these two files. Now I am save. Now I am create new variable name. Now I am use prompt. Then please enter your name. Now I am save. Now I am create another variable is age. Please enter your age. Now I am type document.write. It is hey, then our variable name, now I am open this live server. Then you can see, please enter your name. I am enter my name, then age. Now hey Randil, like this. Now I am again copy this. Now paste. Now I am change name into age. Your age plus Again double commas. Years old. Now I am save. Your age like this. Now I am break this using document dot write. Like this, then save. Now I am use if and else two tags. I am type if age is less than 18, document dot write you are still child. Now I am save. Now I am use else if. Else if age less than 120, document dot write you are elder. Else document dot write you are not in this world. Now you can see I am give my name, then age is like this. Now you can see you are still child. Now I am give another age like this, you are elder. Now again give like this number, then you are not in this world like this. Now we can decorate this using CSS. What we want to do? We go to CSS file, press star, then type heading is 0, margin is also 0, font family is cursive, background color is yellow. Now I am save. Like this you can see. Now text align center. Font size is 50 pixel. It's okay. Now I want to keep the gap in the top. To keep the gap, I am use some breaks from here. Like this. Now like this, 3 breaks. Like this. Now it is good. Now I am refresh my website, then I give my name. Now I am give my age. Now hey Randil Ravel, you are 18 years old, you are elder. Like this you can see. This is our program JavaScript. This is our CSS program. Then this is our HTML. You can see we create sample HTML codes, then link our CSS file and JavaScript file. In our JavaScript file, we create variable is name. When we input prompt is please enter your name. Then again we add variable age, prompt is please enter your age. Then we write document.write is hey, then name. Then again document.write is your age is 18 years old, like that. Again we add if and else tags. If your age is less than 18, you are still child. Else if your age is less than 120, you are elder. Else you are not in this world. I think I give best and interesting challenges using JavaScript in this video. If you like this video, press the like button to my video. If you like my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my brand new videos quickly. Okay, let's meet in brand new video.